HLSIC. Well, welcome back to welcome back to HLSICME. My name is Stephen Curry, and today we'll be cooking an egg for exactly 3 minutes. Something most people don't know about me is that I'm not really a fan of eggs. I understand that some of our viewers might not be too familiar with eggs. So in today's episode, we will be going over some facts about eggs. Here are some facts about eggs. Eggs are laid by female animals of many different species, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and fish, and have been eaten by humans for thousands of years. Now we're going to cook our egg for 3 minutes. People also search for cheese. Where's my spoon? Spoon's still got egg from the last episode. I can't have egg on mine. I don't know. Now we'll be cooking our egg for 3 minutes. Hey guys, so when I was recording this episode, my lavalier mic stopped recording about now, and I have no audio for the rest of the episode. So I'm just gonna narrate the rest of this episode now and tell you what's going on. Until then, I'm not really saying much. I'm just sitting on the ground, so I'm just gonna wait until the egg has finished cooking. Okay, so the egg is almost done, and I'm not really quite sure what I said in the episode, so I'm just going to do a bit of lip reading of what I said from now on, okay? Okay, I think the egg is done. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Well, okay, that's the crack in there. Ow! Ow, flippin' frippin'. There's an animal in the inbox and got mobile for restrictions. The cellular number, retailing technique, the scrumptious. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching the show. It's the egg. How long should I cook my egg? And I'll see you next week. Next week I'm gonna have a lot of fun. But remember, always.